Hello everybody, and today we are going to do some work in Google Sheets for the data that you've taken on those blocks. So we're going to be doing our mean, median, mode, range, and I think we're also doing standard deviation. We may save that for another video, and if things go well, maybe histogram too, but if not, we'll do that in the next one. So you're going to take your block data, block 1 through 27. Sorry about that. I'm just going to put in a fake value there. So I have all my measurements right here for my block data, and let's get to it. So there's a couple of ways of doing this. First thing we want to do is we want to do our mean. So let's type mean in one box, mode in another, median there, and we can do range right here, low, range, high. So now we have a couple of values right here. So let's get to it. So to do the mean, very easy. We click into this box, come over here to where it says functions, and we're going to do average, which is also the same as mean. Click it, click, and drag over all those numbers. If you're doing this with a mouse, it makes life a lot easier. Hit enter. That's your mean. If we want to do the mode, click, come over here, do mode, and we can look, and it's not here. So what we are going to do is go into the box and go equals MOD, and we can see most commonly mode multimodal, mode right here. So by doing that, we click, come over, highlight once again everything, and hit enter. So we see 0.75 is my mode. You may not have a mode, or you may be bimodal. We don't know. Median equals MED, and look, median comes up. Click, highlight, hit enter. There's our median value. For range, kind of keep doing the same thing. You could do equal. Let's see, range. And we don't have it. So we can go over here to our functions, and we can find the max or the min. Let's do those. Hit min, highlight the values. So that's my minimum value. And for here, we're going to do equals. We could do the function thing over here, max. Click, highlight, and there you have it. There's your range, low to high. While we're on it, let's do standard deviation. So I'm going to type in standard deviation right here. This column right here, let's do equals STD, standard deviation, pops right up, click, highlight, and there you have it. There's the standard deviation right there. And we can probably do a histogram as well. So let's try this histogram out. All right, so now we'll add a histogram in. So I'm going to highlight my data, insert, chart. So now it has the data. I'm going to come over to here, and I'm going to look for histogram of measurements. And that is our basic histogram right there. The histogram basically shows the distribution of values we have. So we can change them. So we have 0.70 to 0.80 going on increments of 0.02. So that's pretty good. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bins. We can actually increase bins if we want. If we go into customize, and we can look through chart style, histogram, right? So we can auto size the bucket size. So we can go 0.01. Let's try. So that's a 0.01. A little bit, I don't know. I kind of like the other one a little bit better. Change it back to 0.02. Well, we can change it to probably 0.015. Don't like that. 0.02. Kind of like that a little bit better. So that's our histogram right there, showing the standard deviation of 0.02. In class, I'll let you know, but I'm even going to pick between 0.01. Let's look at that again, like that. So at least shows us the values. Let's stick with 0.01 for the bucket size. And that's our histogram. So now we have mean, median, mode, range, high and low, and we also have the standard deviation and histogram in one shot. So if you have any questions, you can rewind, look back at the video, or try to get a hold of me in class, and I will try to take you a little bit further into it, but that is the basics for this. We'll do a little bit more of this block data again later on, but right now, that's how easy it is. All right, everyone, have a great night. Bye.